Hi guys, my name is Vamshi. Today I am going to explain the topic is object declaration and initialization and how many ways we have to initialize the state of an object. Let us see theoretically, then after we will implement it practically. So we will learn object declaration and initialization in Java with the help of these examples. So first one is object declaration in Java, second one is initialization in Java, third one is ways to initialize the stages of object in Java. So what is declaration? Here is the example. Suppose you have a class called saving account and we have to find here the declaring the variables called account number and account holder name. These are the declaration of vari variables and object initialization. And we have to assign some values to these variables. So this is the object initialization. So how many ways we have to initialize state of an object in Java means it has three types like first one is using constructor, second one is using reference variable, third one is using method. We have to implement these in our Eclipse IDE. Let us go to our Eclipse and create new package called com.function.object initialization three ways. First one using constructor. We have to implement this constructor first. Right click new. I'm taking saving account and saving account has a fields or properties or variables like this is state variables or or state of an object. That is here long account number string account holder name double account balance string IFSC code and then string branch. Now the declaration part is completed and we have to initialize these fields using constructor. For this we have to declare constructor source generate constructor using fields and we added successfully constructor. This is called parameterized constructor and we have to create one method called public void display account info and we have to create one main method and we have to create the object for saving account. New saving account. Here the constructor taking the parameters and enter long 101 Vamshi 6000 SBI 7788 MTPL ad- address branch MTPL, and we have to display these values. For that, I am writing one method called display account information, and we have to print the statement. So account number, account number, copy paste, control V, control V, account folder name, account balance, IFSC code, IFSC code, and branch. Here we access account folder name for balance, IFSC code, branch. Now we have to call this method using reference variable saving account dot display account information info. Here is the method used to perform an action. Here creating the object for the class. Now we have to run this, right click, run as Java application. We get the result, account number, account holder name, balance, IFSC code, branch. So here constructor is used to initialize the instance variables. So for this is a keyword representing current class instance variables. Here the here the parameter name and instance variables names are same now. That's why the confusion is occurs. That's why we are putting this represents, so to avoid the ambiguity. And next we have to take package like using reference variable, reference variable, For this class, suppose you have an account in bank like student account. For this la- account number, string, folder name, double balance, string, AFSC, code, string, branch, and minimum available balance in account. Minimum, minimum, open name for an account, and we have to initialize these fields using reference variable and create main method, and we have to create the object for the student account. Student account, new student account, and we have to set the or we have to initialize these values through the reference variable. This is the reference variable, and we have to initialize the values using reference variable dot account number. So we have to take this is available balance, student account dot account number 1001, student account dot account folder name, say, student account dot available balance 5000, student account dot IFSC code SPI 665544 MPPL, student account dot branch MTPL, minimum minimum opening balance for this account, minimum opening balance, student account dot 3000, and we have to write one method public void student account info CISO full space account number copy paste account folder name available balance IFSC code and branch and minimum opening balance. Here account folder name available balance AFSC code branch minimum opening balance and then we have to call it through the reference variable student account dot get student account info and right click run as Java application and we get the result. And another way is using method right click new class. The class name is recurring FTA fixed deposit account. You know fixed deposit account book and the fields are and the variables are account number string account folder name double available balance string IFSC code string branch how much amount you will deposit in the your account like double amount deposit long tenure double ROI rate of interest for this I have to initialize the uh, I have to initialize these variables using method. For this, I am creating one method called public void fixed deposit account and passing the parameters, these values, parameter values. I have passed these values for this control shift F and assigning these parameter values to the instance variable like account number to this means current class instance variable this dot account number copy paste account holder name assigned to this instance variables account holder name available balance and available balance AFSC code and IFSC code branch branch amount deposit amount deposit we have to copy two more tenure means time period how many years you have to deposit and rate of interest assigning to the instance variables. Now method also completed. Now we have to create the object for the class recurring FTA account control space enter new recurring FTA account and we have to display this method in the form of toString method for this source generate toString and generate and call the recurring deposit account dot call the fixed deposit account method and we have to pass the values 10001 account holder name account available balance 7000 AFSC code CBI 663388 MTPL branch MTPL deposit amount 60,000 tenure is 2 years 6.5 rate of interest, and we have to call this method, and we have to display this method values CISO control space and pass recurring FT account reference variable. Automatically it will call the fixed deposit account, and it will print in the object format. No need to write again in system.out.println. Here the result will be printed in the object format. For the notes, I will give the link in the description. Bye. Thank you.